Hello, my name is Jungmin Cho, and today is day 10th, and we are serving Leetcode. As you can see, we already sold because I'm practicing, but um, I guess at least like one solution or one things I should leave it as a video, so I'm just trying to push my limit. Um, let's solve it. So reorder linked list. You were given head of the linked list, the position of the linked list as 7. Um, but it just gives a head only. Reorder the linked list following order. Notice that it just um okay, but it is guaranteed that okay. Um okay, I guess it's already sorted. Um, I'm not sure about it, but I think it's for the display purpose. Um, they gave us like that, but it doesn't actually necessary to be sorted. So let's see. Um, so 0 is still 0, n minus 1. So n minus 1 is 8, and 1 would be 4, and n minus 2. Yeah, I get the idea. So we are basically heading to pointer. So here we have first pointer, and the second pointer will be here. So basically, with the pointer, this always come first, and this always second. So 2, 8, 4, 6. So this is it. So if it wasn't a linked list, and we couldn't solve easily with the 2 pointer. And but the problem is this is not array or list. It's just a linked list. So we have to think about like how we going to troubles like right. Let's not right. So the first one is not the problem. No. So the only problem is when it comes to the last one. Like how are we going to backtracking? Um. So should we solve in the one big old one? What I can think about is we just create a dummy node, and we having two different ones. So we having head, which is correct order, the correct order, and the other dummy node is basically tail to the backward. Um, I should have to run the other way, but so I mean, it is good, but let's check the recommended time and space complexity. You should aim for so no, like we should not do this. And there must be a better way, and um um let's think about it this week. What if we connect the this and we making cycle? Would it be feasible? So like one, two, three, four. Only the problem is like how we going to how are we going to the end? Um, um, I don't know. I need some thinking and I need some help, I guess. Let's think that because it's linkless. We only traversing this way, and how are we going to like? So two, two, four, six, eight, right? So how are we going to make it this way and this way and this way? I mean, I can see the pattern. Only the problem is how. Maybe head, we track tail. So we connect head first to the tail and we move forward and we're moving backward. Maybe we're thinking the wrong way. Like maybe we should done it in the middle first. Is it? Um, Let me check the hint. Yeah. So we it doesn't make sense. Can divide. Oh, I get it, I think. Um, this has a good point. So we are using the fast and slow pointer, and we determine the middle point. So I guess that for this one, this and this, and we reversing the half of it, and we split into two, and we are merging to the one. Yeah, I think this is the solution, and so first we need to like fast and slow head, and while the slow fast and fast has a next. We are moving forward, so slow became slow next, and fast become fast next. Um, yeah, in that case, like we know the um, which one is the slow? So slow is midpoint. The fast is the last point. Now from slow we have to reverse. So let's say while slow is valid, and we should have previous current as well. So temp, we'll save the current next. Then we should have to do the current next. Current next, so we are saving the temp, and we are moving for the previous one. No, yeah, that's correct. And previous become current, and current will be now moving to the temp. In this case, so the at this point, the current is reversed ahead, and so to verify it, let's check what's inside of the current. So inefficient, the hell. First, here let's check print slow and fast. Not that very helpful. Let's check the value. guess. Because it's not a cycle. And next, I guess that way. Yes. Before. So next. So next. Next. So next. And next. And so slow became next, and fast became next. Maybe we shouldn't start on the same page. So next, and next. Maybe we should have the different starting point, I guess. Yeah, so because it is either become next is become enable unavailable. So we just need to add one more. If next text is there, and we just put it the way it used to be, but then else we just need to next. Yep. Then now we're going to do swapping. Let me check. So slow. It's the current one. So I guess previous one. So current one. next. The current. Yeah, because we are reversing. And previous one will be becomes is for the next one, so yeah, I think logic is correct, but why it's just hanging in there? Previous became. Um, I think this is the flaw. So it just should have just none. And current next, yeah, previous is current. I think it's making the cycle. Yeah, so yeah, but you have something in there, so it should be, yeah, 8. So let me check what's inside the previous print ball, and we are moving previous yes, previous next. So midpoint. Is that correct? I think so. I think it's I only should have 6 8 in that case, but this case, yeah, it has to be one less. So let's do it in that way. Yeah, now what we're going to do is by using head and the previous is so by using head, so while and head and previous is there, and what we need to do is as always comes first. see the reverse of and reverse and previous. So we're gonna move forward. Okay, okay. Yeah. So always had. Next would be rib rib. Next would be temp head next. Let's just current, not the head. Current next. Return head. Return head. Fuck. In my so current next. Current. And we need to use temp, so we are making cycle there. What am I doing wrong? Because we're not actually moving forward. That's why. It's getting longer too. Let's see. What am I doing wrong? Should we say the original? We swap the yeah. Became home. So um, approach is good, but I don't think I can solve it. Uh, let's check the answer. Let's see. But why does it work? Yes, why I did exactly the same. No. But in that case, we are disconnecting it. I mean, it was pretty close. I don't think you need it. Yeah, it was pretty close, and I have to check the answer. I mean, idea-wise, it's pretty close, and just we have some uh, flaws, difference flaws. So, um, I'll read the answer and come back to it. Give me 1 second. Alright, I came back and I got so I reviewed thoroughly and this part was critical. So um previously it has something like this. So the problem of this is basically I mean I can add it here. So we didn't cut things to half. So basically we have to cut it here. So we have to make sure that uh, the half of it is coded, because if we if we don't do that, like basically it's gonna creating a loop in here. So I didn't touch outer code, I only touched this, and let me remove the yeah, so it accepted. So it was pretty close, pretty um yeah, so I'm not feeling really good. Maybe I should have known that, but I think it's debugging part is the crucial for that. So um, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. But what I thought was just doing there. It's just breaking that, cause I thought it's cause current is next, and what I thought was it could just automatically break here. Um, yeah, I mean, I'll read it more, my code, and thank you for watching.